Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD consolidates losses around 1 week low beyond 0.7100 http ntvforex.com news ID 9A56933 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD keeps pullback from 0.7134, bulls await clear direction to extend the 3-day losing streak. Risk tone recently dwindled amid US stimulus chatter, goldâ's crash supersedes everything. Hopes of American economic rebound and no negatives on Sino-American trade deal favored optimists earlier. Aussie Westpac Consumer Confidence, wage price index can offer immediate direction, risk catalysts remain as the key. AUD USD seesaws around 1 week low following its bounce off 0.7134, currently at 0.7144, as Wednesdayâ's Asian session begins. The Aussie pair closed Tuesday on a negative side while portraying a 3-day losing streak as the US dollar rebound joined a crash in gold prices. Is there a risk with the stabilization in coronavirus COVID-19 cases in Victoria joining hands with the receding hospitalizations from the US? The market's risk tone sentiment cheered US President Donald Trump's hint of 20% gains by the third quarter Q3. Also underpinning the risks were the PPA's Bank of China PBOC Governor Yi Geng's upbeat comments concerning the Phase 1 trade deal. The PBOC leader said, China will continue implementing the Phase 1 economic and trade agreement with the United States, while measures announced to open up China's financial sector will continue. Even so, American President Trump said yesterday that the trade deal with China means very little to him. Elsewhere, hopes of the American Congress saw stimulus dimmed recently following Forex Business News FBN update from the U.S. Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell. The House leader said, White House coronavirus aid negotiators have not spoken to top Democrats in Congress today. Talking about the data, National Australia Bank's NAB business confidence and business conditions marked mixed signals, but the US Producer Price Index backed expectations that the world's largest economy is gradually picking up the strength despite the virus woes. Against this backdrop, US 10-year Treasury yields gained 7 basis points BPS to 0.643% while Wall Street benchmark ended Tuesday on a negative note following the last hour selling pressure. The same portrays mixed sentiment and awaits major clues while relying on the US dollar gains and drop in commodity prices to exert downside pressure on the AUD USD. Moving on, traders will keep eyes on Australia's August month Westpac Consumer Confidence and the second quarter Q2 wage price index. While the former dropped to 6.1% in the previous month, the latter is expected to have receded to 0.3% from 0.5% QOQ. While the data suggests further hardships for the AUD-USD prices, recovery in the market sentiment could help the pair extend the latest pullback moves. Technical analysis: a 1-month-old support line, currently around 0.7130, restricts the pair's immediate downside ahead of 0.706560 area comprising July 24th low and June 10th high. Meanwhile, buyers will have to cross 0.7200 in a bid to regain the controls. Additional important levels overview: today last price 0.7144, today daily change 5 pips, today daily change percent 0.07%, today daily open 0.7149, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7114, daily SMA 50 0.6997, daily SMA 100 0.6688, daily SMA 200 0.6707, NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.7185, previous daily low 0.714, previous weekly high 0.7244, previous weekly low 0.7076, previous monthly high 0.7228, previous monthly low 0.6876, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.7157, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.7168, daily pivot point S1 0.7131, daily pivot point S2 0.7112, daily pivot point S3 0.7085, daily pivot point R1 0.7176, daily pivot point R2 0.7203, daily pivot point R3 0.7222, NBSP Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.